Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. Waterfalls, with their majestic beauty and rhythmic cascade of water, are simply beautiful. But have you ever wondered how these natural wonders are formed? Let's learn about them. Waterfalls are primarily formed through a geological process known as erosion. Erosion occurs when water flows over different layers of rock, each eroding at different rates. Think of a river flowing over a landscape where the top layer is hard rock, granite, and the layers beneath are softer, sandstone. Over time, the relentless force of the water will erode the softer rock more quickly, creating a step-like formation where the hard rock forms a cliff-like edge over which the water plunges. This initial step formation is crucial in the development of a waterfall. As water continues to flow over the edge, it creates an undercutting effect. The force of the falling water wears away the softer rock underneath the hard layer, causing the hard rock to overhang. Eventually, this overhang becomes unstable and collapses, further deepening the plunge pool at the base of the waterfall. Waterfalls come in various types and sizes, influenced by the surrounding geology and topography. Falling underwater. It may seem unlikely for a waterfall to exist underwater, but it does happen. Between Greenland and Iceland in what's known as the Denmark Strait Cataract. This underwater phenomenon occurs on an undulating seafloor where a peak rises more than 2 miles tall. Here, two distinct flows of water collide due to temperature differences. The water from Iceland on the east side of the peak is colder, around 2 degrees Celsius, and denser compared to the warmer, 4 degrees Celsius water from the west side. The disparity in density causes the colder, denser water to cascade over the ridge, resembling a waterfall along the face of the peak on its west side. Record-breaking waterfalls. Tallest, the world's tallest land waterfall is located in Venezuela, known as Querepa Meru or Angel Falls, boasting a staggering total drop of 979 meters. Widest, Koh Phangan Falls in Laos holds the title for the widest waterfall globally, spanning an impressive 10,783 meters. Longest single drop, on the Hawaiian island of Molokai, Olopana Falls reigns as the tallest coastal waterfall, plunging 900 meters from the world's highest sea cliffs into the Pacific Ocean. Largest by volume, the Denmark Strait underwater waterfall submerged around 3,505 meters beneath the Atlantic Ocean, holds the record for the largest waterfall by volume. Deepest plunge pool, at the base of the waterfalls in Perth Canyon, Australia, lies a plunge pool that reaches approximately 300 meters in depth. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned formation process. Waterfalls form through erosion, where water flows over different rock layers. The harder top layer erodes slower than the softer layers, creating a cliff edge and deepening the plunge pool through undercutting and collapse. Types and sizes. Waterfalls vary in type and size based on geology and topography, resulting in diverse formations. Underwater waterfalls. Underwater waterfalls, like the Denmark Strait Cataract, occur where colder, denser water cascades over an underwater peak due to temperature differences, resembling a waterfall. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.